So on the Stripe dashboard, you want to click on the settings button. Then on the product settings, you want to click on the payments option at the bottom. And then from the payment settings, tap on this payment methods option. On this page, you may just scroll down and search for the Cash App option or Cash App Pay. And then at the Cash App Pay, hover your mouse over it and click on the Enable button beside it. Then you are good to go. The Cash App Pay is enabled as your payment method. And this is the payment link that I just created. And as you can see, Cash App is already a part of my payment method. Just keep in mind, sometimes it takes time for Stripe to include the new payment method, even few hours in my case when I try to add another payment method to my Stripe account. Well, also there is a region lock for some payment methods, so you may not see it. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.